Patricia trying Raymond Gaballo.
Raymond Gaballo already loading up on his punches. Yuya Nakamura shaking.
Na may kartadang 20 panalo, walang talo, undefeated, at ang 17 dito ay knockout. 22 years old na may taas na 5'6", undefeated boxer upang kalabanin ang dumayong hapon dito.
Patricia trying now is into the next two solid blows and 3-4 solid punches coming from Raymond Gaballo.
Raymond Gaballo already loading up on his punches. Yuya Nakamura shaking. Knocked down. Gaballo.
And he's wala pa rin, no? He's not